Chef here at Apple Foods, and today we're going to talk about a nice winter pizza using Fontanini flatbreads and Chapel Creamery blue cheese.
You will need Fontanini flatbread, Chapel Creamery Bay Blue, sliced apples, fresh tarragon, roasted butternut squash, and roasted garlic. We start by rubbing the crust with roasted garlic. Then we evenly space the butternut squash. Add the apple slices, and then the Chapel Creamery Bay Blue. I especially like this cheese because it is produced locally and packs a sharp and creamy punch. Finish with tarragon and bake until golden brown. Flatbreads like this are very inexpensive to make and can be used as a shared appetizer or an entree on several types of menus. If desired, you can top with duck confit or drizzle with a little honey to take it to the next level.